All my niggas down the ride, most my niggas skate. Either that or they push weight. Grew up in the bag, you thought I was rich, but nigga I'm black, so that don't make sense. That don't make sense? It never makes sense. I had to man up and change how I'm living. Shit, I gotta pay rent. I used to trap, but I had to quit. United we stand, divided we slip. I'm trying to teach all my niggas the secret. The hard part is keeping momentum. We were so close we could see it, but we started losing connection. Ay, touch is a band, pull up with the sticks. The stew was off grand, and that shit was lit. Why did they call you the doc? I do operations, and the top of our life I got lots of patience. I don't really do well during altercations, so I call up the mouth for the automations. I only do math, I count up and split, so no need to add to none of your shit. All these niggas rap, all these niggas keep a strap, all these niggas hard, till it's really time for that. I might pop a Zan and give half to my chick and smoke me a dab, but that's about it. I'm finished talking about lean coke and Percocets. These niggas don't live, they rehearsing death. I'm getting better the worse it gets. I suppose to these phones I might pose a threat. Supreme shit is whack, less you can do tricks. R.I.P. Max, you'll always be missed. All my niggas squat, all my niggas down the ride, most my niggas skate. Either that or they push weight. Grew up in the bag, you thought I was rich, but nigga I'm black, so that don't make sense. How is it possible I have the cure for this sickness, but somehow I caught me a cold? I think it's obvious, have to be sure by my inference. I think it's a drip from my clothes. Fuck all the fads, I'm rocking sweats. I don't wear a hat, my hair is a mess. Go Rasta in this, my lifestyle legit. I'm on a trip, I lost all my shit. I took the right path, cause college ain't it. But I'm going back, cause knowledge is strength. I had an ego death, I'm in the sea like my feet are wet. Bow down to me like I'm Emotep. Following ways of comedics, and I ain't even been to Egypt yet. Must learn from the past, read hieroglyphics. You thought this was rap, but it was a gift. All my niggas squat, all my niggas down the ride, most my niggas skate. Either that or they push weight. Grew up in the bag, you thought I was rich, but nigga I'm black, so that don't make sense.
Trying to make it day to day. Survive, survive, survive. So much bullshit be getting in my way. Survive, survive. Keep your head up high in the sky. Cause we only got one chance to make it though. And I'm gon' survive. By any means that I gotta take it to, yeah.
Trying to move up, money holding me back. Homies loaning me cash to make a deposit, to lock it and drag. Gotta be gas when the name is attached. Came a long way, I was made from the trap. Fuck what they say, I got paid from the bag. Take what is mine to put faith in the line. Running my race up and taking my time. Came up for nothing, got front of my weed. Pack wasn't cheap, so at 20 a G. I was working the flip with a plug in the LA, so I hopped in the whip and I made it a day. Now I'm back with a grip, oh damn. I'm just so busy right now, running laps in my city right now. I be on top, smoking this tree that I got. Even my G in the spot. Plenty enough, I just been working, there's plenty enough. Plenty enough, I just been working, there's plenty enough. Plenty enough, I just been working, there's plenty enough. plenty enough.
Long as I'm here, I'm going off, going off. Long as I'm here, I bring my niggas all along with me. Long as I'm here, I'm going all till I'm gone. Long as I'm here, I bring my niggas all along with me. Long as I'm here, I'm going off, going off. Long as I'm here, I bring my niggas all along with me. Long as I'm here, I'm going all till I'm gone. Long as I'm here, I bring my niggas all along for the ride.
Always on go, I got places to be though. I push out the Reggie and picked up the Rico. My cousin is locked in a box out in Gino. It's crazy what bitches will do for a Cino. Maybe one day I'll be up like casinos. It's shitty and Dago, but snowing in Reno. I still got the plug and the plug out the Fino. I had to pull up in the kilo. Plenty enough, I just been working, it's plenty enough. Plenty enough, I just been working, it's plenty enough. Plenty enough, I just been working, it's plenty enough. Plenty enough, I just been working, it's plenty enough.
I'm just out here trying to make it day to day. Survive, survive, survive. So much bullshit be getting in my way. Survive, survive. Keep your head up high in the sky. Cause we only got one chance to make it through. And I'm gon' survive. By any means that I gotta take it to, yeah.
Blizzy, what you cooking up?
I want her, I get her and change up her livelihood. Yeah. Like, bitch, you know that I'm popping all that sauce drip like ranch on lettuce.
Time to look around and realize what's really going down. Black man, white man, young and old. It's time to do better, time to be bold. I wish you would have never turned and walked away. I wish you would have had the courage to stay and fight the battles you know you were meant to fight, and spread love with all your might. I wish you would have had the courage to dream again. A world with no second place, 'cause we all will win. I wish you would build a world where we all are free, where you can be you and I can just be me. Yeah. I wish you would have had the patience to try again, 'cause it just ain't easy when you're trying to be a better man. I wish you would, for something, take a stand. I wish you would, I really wish you would. Oh, 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 oh. This is not the time to wait for change to come along. Enough blames to go around, 'cause everybody's wrong. Today is your day to show up and take a stand.